Hi, Ajay here once again. Today, in this short video, I'm going to teach you the personal traits and skills to become a successful entrepreneur. So, in this short video, what you will get which are the 10 common traits which successful entrepreneurs have within themselves. You must have these common traits within yourself. Otherwise, the journey of entrepreneurship is maybe it will be difficult. So, in this short training program, let's see one by one which are the common traits you must have. Let's start the journey. So, the first skill is passion. Every person who is successful in his life, he has passion within himself, a deep interest. He likes something from his bottom of heart, which make him to involve, to engage, and to get what he want in his life. It is only because of his passion towards that thing. So, if you want to be a successful entrepreneur, you must have passion. The passion is one of the great skill or maybe a trait a person has to be a successful entrepreneur, because passion creates interest. It will help you to engage, it will help to do more thing, do more and more again and again. And so this passion will take you to the long journey of entrepreneurship. Whether even there is a difficulties, it doesn't matter. Passion will keep you on the track. So you must have passion if you want to be a successful entrepreneur. So first trait and skill is passion. And yes, we can inculcate passion and we grow passion for entrepreneurship. A goal-oriented person always stay on the track. He never disengage himself in other activities. Once he have a set goal, once he set some goals in his life, these goals will make him to do more. He will always stay on the track. He will never get distracted, and never no one can come in his life and distract him and get him out of the track. No, not at all. That's why a goal oriented person always becomes successful in his life. That's why all entrepreneurs are successful, because they have set their goals in their life. That's why thousands of stimulus hits every day on our mind, and which this stimulus make us to distract, but goal make us to stay on the track. That's why you must set goals if you want to be a successful entrepreneur. The second trait of a successful entrepreneur is that he must set the goals. Let's see the third skill and trait of a successful entrepreneur, and that is leadership skills. I want to say you leadership skills. Leaders eat last. Leaders eat last. I mean, what to say that, you know, if you want to be a successful entrepreneur, you have to manage your employees. You have to manage all factors of your business. And that's why a successful entrepreneur, he must be a successful leader also. All leadership skills are essential to understand his organization and to run his organization successfully. He need to manage each and every employees as well as factors from internal and external factors. Both factors he has to manage, and that's why he need leadership skills. Without leadership skill, it's not possible to run an organization. Why I'm saying that, each and every aspect of the organizations, he has to lead it, and he has to lead it. He must show vision to his employees. He must show vision to his employees, and he must create hopes, and successfully he has to inspire and motivate to his all employees of the organization, and to run the organization successfully. That's it. Leaders are successful entrepreneurs, and successful entrepreneurs are leaders. So you must inculcate all leadership skills to be a successful entrepreneur. Now let's see the fourth skill and personality traits of a successful entrepreneur, and that is people skills. Actually, I talk about leadership skills, and even people skills, I can say it is a part of leadership skills, but I have taken this part separately, because an entrepreneur, he needs to network with the customer, he need to network with the investors. So he has to interact with different kinds of people in society, maybe customers, investor, government officials. And for this he need a convincing skill, and without convincing skill and people skills, it is not able to run the business. So some people are reactive in their life, and some people are proactive in their life, and only proactive people can make the things happen. A successful entrepreneurs, they have leadership skills, they have also a people skills, and people skills are the part of the leadership skills only. But I put this separately. Why? Because as a businessman, as a businesswoman, as an entrepreneur, every day you need to come across different kinds of people where you interact with them, you talk with them, you communicate with them. And while a communication, you have to follow some rules and some regulations. You have to listen carefully them. This is the listening skills, and which is the part of people skill. How to behave, how to interact, and get work done through these people. Okay, different kinds of people coming across every day in your life. Now how you are interact with them, that matters a lot. Okay, so people skills, the person who is having a great people skill will always make things happen positively. He interact each and every person who come across in his life very positively. So there are lots of investors where an entrepreneur has to reach to collect the funds to start the business. He has to pull the funds to start the business, right? So he has to maintain relationship with the investors. He has to sell the product to the customer. So he has also bring to maintain a great relationship with the customers. For this, it requires a people skills. Even in the organization, in daily transactions, he is interacting with each and every the top managers, middle managers, and low managers. Okay, from top to bottom, every employees who are working in his organization, sometimes he has to interact with each of them. He need a people skill, a great people skill, and without this, it's not possible to run the business. So people skills, because to need to every day he need to reach out of his organization and interact with the various people where he has to convince them positively to make things happen and to negotiate properly. Successful entrepreneurs has people skills. The fifth skill, the fifth skill and trait of successful entrepreneur is identifying the opportunities. See, in market, everywhere there are lots of problems. Customers are facing the problems, people are facing the problem. So based on these problems, what these people do, what these successful entrepreneurs do, they find some solutions. They find some solutions, they come up with new innovative and creative solutions which solve the problems. The problem will not exist further. So what is happening, what how they identify the, let me explain in detail how these successful entrepreneur become successful by identifying the opportunity. They see everywhere, they observe various kinds of problems which are available in the market, and based on this problem they come up with new ideas, new solutions, and they try to solve the problem. And this is how they come up with new ideas, new products, new services. They launch in the market and they capture the market. That's it. So if you want to be a successful entrepreneur, then identify opportunities which is available in the market. And there are various kinds of tools and strategies we can come and where we can identify the opportunities. In one of my lecture, I'm going to teach you how to identify the opportunities. But to get successful, you must have the skill and traits of identifying the opportunities in the market based on the problems which are available in the market. So fifth major skill is, and personality traits of an successful entrepreneur is identifying the opportunity based on the problems which are there in the market. He comes with the ideas and he comes with the new solution which solve the market problems, and he becomes successful. Now just let's review the first five skills. First one is passion, second one is goal oriented, third one is leadership skills, fourth one is people skills, and fifth one is identifying the opportunity. Now let's see the sixth skill, and that is self challenging. Now in everyone's life, see, life is not a straight line. There is always zigzags, there are u-turns, there are straight lines, and some accidents are there. It's not easy. So in every step of your life, you are going to face the challenges. And when you're facing the challenges, you need a tough mindset. And all these successful people have a tough mindset, strong mental abilities and attitude, and because of which they can come across all the struggles and challenges. Okay, now there will be sometimes, if you start a business, you will come across with a big losses, a big loss, a failure. And see, it's failure, the definition of failure which people are saying failure means failure. No, not at all. Failure is a part of success. Without failure, you are not going to get success in your life. Even in entrepreneur journey, if you want to be successful, you are going to face so many failures and challenges. But solution is there. You must have a strong mindset, because your mental experience is creating your external world. So all successful entrepreneurs, they are in their day-to-day life, they are facing challenges, self challenges. And this, it is one of the great personality trait of successful entrepreneurs. Even they facing these challenges, they fight with it, they face and they fight with that challenges with the strong mental set. So if you want to be successful entrepreneur, you have strong mental attitude and mindset. And how many challenges are coming in your life, that not matters. How you're going to face these challenges, that matters. Now let's see the seventh skill and personality trait of a successful entrepreneur, and that is persistency in adversity. Every people face adversities, challenges. Even they might come with frustration, anxiety, depression, the panic in their life. But even though there are few people who face it with their with their strong mindset, they face the adversities, the challenges, and they come across, and they achieve their goals, because they have that mental toughness and strong mindset. When there is a failure in their life, they face it and they go ahead. They never stop there, they never cry. Okay, now this you are going to face different kinds of failures, different kinds of factors are affecting negatively on your business. What is the key is that you need to be persistency, and I love this skill: persistency in adversity, persistent, perseverance, persistency, continuity, continuous in work. See, all entrepreneurs, they never get success in one shot. It's not a game of one day. Every day they're trying something new, they are experimenting, they are doing new things, they are innovating. They fail again and again and again, and they come with the new solution. That is the journey of an entrepreneur. So you start a business today itself, and you're not going to get success immediately. Sometimes you'll come across with big failures, big challenges where you have to cross, and we have to fight with that. We have to face that all. Various kinds of failures will come across. Don't stop. You must continue your entrepreneurship journey. You will fail. People will try to put you down, but keep persistency. Be persistent in your work. Experimental mindset. I want to share you one thing over here. All these entrepreneurs, they have they have experimental mindset. I mean, they do experiments continuously. If you see what they do, they find some problems in the market, and based on this problem, they do different kinds of experiments. They try it. They have their research and development department, R&D department, or they do studies themselves, or with the help of their employees, they come up with new kind of a solution to the marketplace. So they do continuously experiments. All successful entrepreneurs, just see them, watch them. They have tried different kinds of things. Not in one shot they get success. They have experimental mindset. I'll give one example. Right now we are facing the corona pandemic situation. People are dying, we are suffering from this corona disease, right? This virus affected us, and now entire world is facing the problem. So what I want to add over here, that all the scientists and researchers, what they're doing, they're into experimental phase. Means what they're doing right now, we people want vaccine. And this researcher, these scientists, these doctors, what they're doing, with they're finding some solution, they're coming with new vaccines, and they're trying now, they're experimenting right now. They want some solution. Now once any company, any pharma company or a medical company which comes in the market with the vaccine which is helping to the people to come out from this pandemic situation, definitely that company is going to grow. He's going to make a big profits and benefits. Likewise, all this corporate world, all these successful entrepreneurs, they have done their experiments, and they have find a problem from the market. They have provided a solution which has benefited to the customers. That is why A successful entrepreneurs is always having an experimental mindset. You must have that mindset. Now let's see the next point. Next skill or a personality trait of an successful entrepreneur, and that is creativity. Doing the things in a different way. Okay, doing the things in a different way, finding new possibilities, coming with new ideas, and having and creating some new products and services which solve the problems, solving the problems in a different way. That is what we're saying about creativity. And all entrepreneurs, those are successful. I As earlier I given an example of Mark Zuckerberg. Take an example of Picasso. He was a creative man. All successful entrepreneurs have a creative mindset, like experimental mindset. They have creative mindset. They do the things in a different way, in a different perspective. They bring new possibilities. They do the work in a different way. They bring new ideas in a marketplace. They bring new ideas. This is what required to be a successful entrepreneur. You can't just copy someone else's idea and bring it to the market. You can sustain for a short period of time, but for a longer period of time you will not become the game changer. If you want to be a game changer, if you want to do more profits, you must have developed a creative mindset, something new ideas, something new perspective, something new possibilities, something different way of doing the things. That is what creativity. And all successful entrepreneurs have this skills and this personality trait within himself. And because of this skill, he is becoming a game changer in the market. Now I want to take you to the last skill and personal trait of a successful entrepreneur, and that is associations. I mean positive association, not only associations. Just check yourself, with whom you are spending your time, with whom you are spending your valuable time every day. Just watch yourself, observe yourself, and be aware of yourself first. Positive people create positive effects on you, and negative people will create negative impact on you. This is a power of association. If you want to be a successful entrepreneur, you must associate with those who already have been successful in their entrepreneur journey. Then only you will become a successful entrepreneur. See, when your friends are negative, if they are toxic, they will never push you. They will never force you to be a successful a person or an entrepreneur. So find someone is in your locality, in your friend circle, who already become successful in their businesses. Find those people, make friends them. Only they can teach you because they have already been done in their life. They have been gone through the different kinds of experiences which has taught them. They taken new lessons from their experiences. And if you want to be successful entrepreneur, they will teach you how to become successful entrepreneur. If your friends circle, if your associations are negative, if they are toxic, you are not going to grow in your life, my dear friends, because we become the average of five people. Successful entrepreneur, they have a skill, they have a personal trait that they always having association of positive people with them, and these positive people always push them forward to be successful. That is what, see, and emotions are contagious. If negative people are around you, they'll spread negative emotions on you. You decide to whom with you want to stay in your life, and with the toxic people or people who want to change your life. You decide. So these are the 10 skills and personal traits of a successful entrepreneur. If you have these skills and traits, definitely you are going to become a successful entrepreneur. Now I will give one exercise today. Take this all 10 skills. Okay, take this all 10 skills, and from 1 to 10 measure yourself. So at last I want to conclude that this if these 10 skills and personality traits, if you have, even you can become a successful entrepreneur. Passion passion goal oriented, leadership skills, people skills, identifying opportunity, self challenging, persistency in adversity, experimental mindset, and creativity, and having good association. So these are just skill which is common, I have been seen in successful entrepreneur. So hope you like this video, and from this video my intention was clear, that you must understand what are the common traits and skills of a successful entrepreneur. If you want to if you want to be a successful entrepreneur, or whether you want to just walk on this entrepreneurial journey, you must inculcate and build these kinds of traits within yourself. Definitely one day you are going to become a successful entrepreneur. Thank you very much. See you soon with a new video. Thank you very much.